Ah, we meet again. You thought I was gone, huh? You thought I was gone, huh? No, I'm back! And I'm back for more jailbreak tweaks! Yes! More jailbreak tweaks! It's been a while. Oh my. Jailbreak tweaks. Oh, they're numerous. Oh. YomiTosh here, and let's get right into it. Jailbreak tweaks. So first one I have for you is MagmaPro, and MagmaPro looks great. You can customize your control center. You can individually change all the color accents. It's glorious. Look at this flashlight. Look at that. You can change that. Look at that. That's yellow. That's green. And you can also go ahead and change a whole bunch of other stuff as well. So that's not the regular red. I made it like a pinkish red. I also changed the colors for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, airplane mode. I think I did like a little custom change on it, but still very similar. Music as well, I changed it. Awesome. Next one is SuperZoom. And SuperZoom basically allows you to zoom in without any limits. So look at this gorgeous plate, or rather salad right here. You can just zoom in and see all those spices and the tomatoes and all the pixels. Yes, pixels. That's not pixel 3a though. You can look at all the pixels. But yeah, that's SuperZoom. Vesta, if you're just missing Android, or you just happen to like the Android drawer, well, now you have an app drawer. Your recent apps stay up here, and all your other apps are pretty much down here. And you can also change the ways you can actually access it. So you can make it such that if you're in an app, you can just slide in from the bottom side, which is pretty weird because I have the home bar down there. But yeah, look at that, and then you can quickly just change into any app. Pretty neat stuff. Next one is called SnapBack. Oh, how do I get out of here? Home button to the rescue. The next one is called SnapBack, and it's sort of like Time Machine on macOS. So you can basically like take a snapshot of like where you are, and it's literally what the jailbreak utility uncovered does when you jailbreak. It takes a snapshot of like your regular system without jailbreak, and then when you jailbreak it, it preserves that snapshot so that when you want to remove your jailbreak, you go back to that previous version. So you can sort of do this. So maybe if you were like really tweaking like system files, you can do this and just, you know, snap back. Get it? Snap back. Yeah, so that's SnapBack. The next one is DiskPro, probing your disk for, I don't know, disk related stuff, D-related stuff. Yeah, DiskPro basically scans your whole phone and gives you like a breakdown of what's using space. It's sort of like Daisy Disk, if you guys know what that is. It's a Mac app, is really cool, or sort of like the storage tab in the About My Mac on Mac. There's a lot of Mac references here. So yeah, it basically gives you a breakdown of like what's using storage on your phone, and you can see it in like actual folders. So you can really go into the nitty-gritty details of like removing stuff from folders, but be careful, you don't want to remove something that is very important. So yeah, watch out. But DiskPro is generally a lot better with handling stuff that you shouldn't delete than SnapBack might not quite handle, because SnapBack is just the whole system. And yeah, the next one is PianoPass, and this basically replaces your lock screen with you know, a piano. That was supposed to work. I think I need to RhistRing. Alright, with a quick RhistRing, I think we should get that working right now. And no. Alright, you guys, I can't get PianoPass to work. I've used this before. I don't know why it's not working now, but these are some of the issues I face when I'm trying to make videos like this. And now I'm going to have to remove PianoPass from the list. But yeah, PianoPass basically replaces your lock screen with like a little piano layout, and you can type in like keys on your piano and then you unlock your phone. Anyway, past that, let's go to the next one, Drag Enabler. And this basically allows you to drag and drop, kind of like the iPad. So you can drag stuff and drop them in other places, which is pretty neat. But then you kind of need like the split screen to actually make use of it effectively, to kind of like drag something from maybe files into messages or something like that. So I don't know, I'm pretty sure there's a split screen like tweak right now. Maybe that'll be in the next jailbreak tweak video. The next one is Whoops. And I'll just go into messages quickly, and yeah, so you can cancel your message before it actually sends. So it's like, whoops, I didn't mean to send that. So yeah, that's whoops. The next one is called Aksar, and I really like Aksar. Look at that. Look at how clean my lock screen is. So beautiful. You can basically just swipe through and see all your notifications, and you tap on them and it gives you this nice haptic when you click on them, and it's like this really heavy haptic, and you just like feel it, and then you can just like look at your notifications, and they're all organized, and it's all just really nice and really beautifully done. So yeah, you guys should definitely check this out. If you're not getting any tweak on your phone today, you should definitely get this one on your phone, if you have a jailbroken phone, that is. And the next one is called CircleSettings, and this one has probably come up before, but it still looks good. So yeah, it basically makes everything circle in your settings, which is different from like stock iOS where everything is boring and square. Nobody likes square stuff. Next one is called Ultrasound, and yeah, you know, it goes through like different layers of like your springboard and gives you this beautiful, what do you call this again, volume HUD, volume HUD. It's really nice, not quite like the iOS 13 volume HUD, but it's close enough, and some people have used them for like recreating iOS 13 on iOS 12, which is pretty nice. So yeah, that's Ultrasound. And the last one for today, which was supposed to be a bonus tweak, but I can't make it a bonus tweak anymore because the PianoPass didn't quite work. So it's called Vesta, and I've forgotten what it actually does. Vesta, I already reviewed that, didn't I? Well, I guess that's the end of this jailbreak tweak day. I don't know what to call it anymore because I can't do it on Wednesdays anymore. But yeah, we'll call it Jailbreak Tweak Day for now. And it's currently happening on a Sunday, maybe a Monday, depends on when I have the energy to actually edit this out and upload this. And hopefully I see you guys in the next one, and hopefully you guys are still around, because I feel like you guys have gone and YouTube is just kind of like, yeah, we're not showing this guy, you're not showing YomiTosh's videos to these people anymore. I'm pretty sure they've gone past him. They've found other, you know, jailbreak channels that they like, and they're watching, and they have loads of watch time on it. They don't need to see what this guy has to say. Hopefully Susan would allow my YouTube channel to actually blossom and show to everybody around and give me new subscribers and watch time, hopefully. Or maybe she's not even like having any play in it, and it's just like me not doing what the algorithm likes. But then again, the algorithm could be wrong and I'm right, and I think I've drawn this out for too long now. Leave a comment. How do you like the setup? Is it good? Is it bad? I'm trying out something new today. Hopefully you guys like it. See you in the next one. YomiTosh here, signing out. Peace.